Hi class, welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on all future content. There are over 20 million Americans suffering from thyroid conditions, but it's safe to assume that the majority of them don't even think about their thyroid when it comes to diet and nutrition. Having a thyroid condition is no walk in the park because various nutrients can heavily influence how the thyroid functions. Today, we're going to learn what foods to avoid if you have hypothyroidism. Swordfish. This fish tends to contain more mercury than smaller fish. Because of its long lifespan, chances are it's accumulated more chemicals than most, due to them being fed chum. Soy. Excess soy consumption increases the risk of hypothyroidism. Soy has been known to interfere with the healthy endocrine function, meaning that soy can disrupt hormonal balances in the body. Studies have shown women who ate soy products experienced the same hormone-altering results as if they were given tamoxifen, a drug used for breast cancer patients. Gluten. Someone who eats a lot of gluten increases the risk of protein particles entering the blood. The immune system recognizes this as an intruder and takes care of the problem, but increased gluten consumption over the years can cause the immune system to attack healthy tissue. Sugar. Sugar can be a tough one to give up because it's in so many things that people enjoy eating. Most people consume an excessive amount of sugar, which contributes to excess fat storage in the body. Alcohol. Alcohol wrecks thyroid hormone levels. There's no two ways about it. In addition to damaging thyroid hormone levels, alcohol can also affect the thyroid's ability to produce thyroid hormones by suppressing the gland. In addition to affecting thyroid hormone production, the sugar in alcohol can cause glucose spikes and contribute to weight gain. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com.